To naturally remove tanning from your face, you should try this home remedies. Number 1. Cucumber. Cucumber has cooling effect on the skin and can help reduce tan. Grate a cucumber and apply the pulp to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with cool water. Alternatively, you can also apply cucumber juice directly on the affected areas. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has smoothing and healing properties that can help reduce tan and nourish the skin. Extract the fresh aloe vera gel from the plant and apply it to tan areas. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing off. Repeat this process daily for effective results. Number 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is known for its natural bleaching properties. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and apply it to tan areas using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 10 to 50 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Remember to moisturize your skin. Number 4. Yogurt. Yogurt acts as natural exfoliant and can remove dead skin cells and tan. Apply plain yogurt to your face and gently massage it in circular motion. Leave it on for 10 to 50 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Number 5. Honey and papaya. Papaya contain enzymes that help lighten the skin and remove tan. Mash a ripe papaya and mix it with honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing off. Exfoliation regular. Exfoliation can help remove dead skin cells and tan. You can make a homemade scrub by mixing gram flour, besan, turmeric and rose water. Gently scrub with this mixture in circular motion and then rinse with water. You can use 1 or 2 of these home remedies without any side effects and you get surprising results. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.